Okay, this is a recording on how to make a scatter diagram with some data and then also do a best fit line or a best fit quadratic equation, a linear regression line or a linear regression quadratic. So I have this data here, which is actual data of bear chest size versus the weight. So if I want to compare these two data, then I can select it, right? I can even, I think, select this top part, all of it, and then I want to create a scatter diagram. So let's go to Insert tab and hit scatter diagram. So that's a scatter diagram, a normal scatter diagram. It's even got weight listed here. Sorry. And so it's got all the scatter diagram, but what it doesn't have and what I really want is a line that fits this, and a best fit line or a best fit equation. And we can see it kind of follows a general pattern of a line. So it might behoove us to have a best fit line there. So to do this, what I can do is come up here under the design tab, and it's going to give me some options here. So if I scroll down the options, it has one with a little f of x right there. So that's our notation for function notation. If we click on that, it'll add the line and it'll add the function. So some programs don't actually have this feature, but and don't have this little tab selection thing. So like numbers, I believe, doesn't. To do numbers and work numbers, I would right click on the data and then hit format trend line, I believe it is. So and even if I do that here now, if I wanted to, instead, if my data didn't follow a linear pattern, if it followed something else, then I can select what kind of pattern it was. For instance, if I wanted a quadratic, which is another problem you have to do on your homework. So if I wanted a quadratic, I would choose a polynomial of order 2. Right? That's a second degree polynomial. This is what a quadratic is. And then I hit close, and it gives me a quadratic that best fit the data. And here's the equation of the quadratic, right? X squared kind of thing. So, and that's basically it. So, and you can use that equation to do whatever you need to do. Okay? Good luck.